Hey, what's up guys, Hassan here. In this video today we compare 3 best smartphones, which is Samsung Galaxy M54 versus Oppo A74 5G versus Samsung Galaxy A54. So let's see the full video. Display type, display size, resolution, screen to body ratio, aspect ratio, pixel density, always on display, refresh rate, screen quality, screen brightness, screen protection, body design, body weight, body height, body weight, body thickness, water resistant, SIM slot, has colors, storage, has RAM, has memory, card slot, platform, has chipset, processor, graphic unit, operating system, rear camera, megapixel, rear second camera, rear third camera, rear fourth camera, has flash, has HDR, video recording, selfie camera, megapixel, panorama, video recording, connectivity, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi version, has GPS, has Galileo, has GLONASS, has BDS, has QoZSS, NFC, infrared port, radio, USB connectivity, has OTG, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, sensors, fingerprint, accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity, compass, battery, battery type, battery capacity, battery charging, sound, Loadspeaker, 3.5 mm jack, launch, launch date, 5G network, has LTE, GSM and HSPA, price, price USD. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and make sure to subscribe. Gatgets compare.